Hi, I'm Matthew Courtney. Welcome to Spreadsheet Fundamentals. In this video, I will be showing you how to calculate a percentage. Before we look at the spreadsheet, let's take a moment to consider the syntax. If you already know your count and total, calculating the percentage is easy. Simply type =, then select or type the count, type a /, and then select or type your total. If you do not already know the count and total, then you can layer the COUNTIF function and/or the SUM function together, as you see on the screen. Let's see how these formulas work in action. Column A lists the gender attributes for a set of students. The small table to the right shows the count of male and female identified students and the total number of students. To fill in the percentage column, I can type an =, followed by D2, the count, /D4, the total. Enter. 47.5% of the students are male. Let's pretend that I don't already know the count of female students. Here, I can layer the COUNTIF function into my formula by typing =, open parentheses, COUNTIF, open parentheses, select column A, comma, female in quotation marks, close parentheses, /D4, the total. Enter. 52.5% of the students are female. In this video, I have shown you how to calculate a percentage in spreadsheets. For more information about how to use spreadsheet functions to interpret student data, please visit www.matthewbcourtney.com/repository.